It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. I'm not upset that you lied to me. I'm upset that from now on I can't believe you. There is always some madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. You have your way. I have my way. As for the right way, the correct way, and the only way, it does not exist. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. In heaven, all the interesting people are missing. The man of knowledge must be able not only to love his enemies, but also to hate his friends. When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. The snake which cannot cast its skin has to die. As well the minds which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. In individuals, insanity is rare, but in groups, parties, nations, and epochs, it is the rule. No one can construct for you the bridge upon which precisely you must cross the stream of life, no one but you yourself alone. Is man merely a mistake of God's? Or God merely a mistake of man? Man is the cruelest animal. I am a forest and a night of dark trees, but he who is not afraid of my darkness will find banks full of roses under my cypresses. The thought of suicide is a great consolation. By means of it one gets through many a dark night. Every deep thinker is more afraid of being understood than of being misunderstood.